Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. And I hope you can learn something. I'm not a financial advisor, so take what I say with a grain of salt. Right now, I am demonstrating the Cameron's model, ICT Sun's model, and basically, how you start is you look for a higher time frame objective. It could be a 15-minute or a 1 hour swing high that we are approaching. Then you go to the 5 minute and you look for a swing low. Right here, we have a swing low. There's no swing lows here, and the next swing low is all the way down here. Once you identify your swing low, you drop down to either a 30-second chart or a 1 minute chart, and you look for a bullish fair value gap. In that bullish fair value gap, you will take a buy, and your risk reward will only be 1 to 8. You could eventually start raising this to 1 to 2, 1 to 5, something like that, and 1 to 2, whatever you want. But this is just the base model, and this is what Cameron's doing right now. So I'm demonstrating that. And right now, and during the structure, we're looking for a 1 minute fair value gap to reach into this draw. We This is a swing high, but also it is a double top right here. So we have equal highs, and we do have this liquidity up here, fair value gap, volume imbalance, all that good stuff. So we do have some draws, and we do have this swing high that looks like we are approaching. We could tap back into this fair value gap, this 1 hour fair value gap, and then bounce. But I'm just looking for a bullish fair value gap. It could be down here, could be up here. And that bullish fair value gap will give me a 1 to 8 or 1 to 0.8, just like that. And it's a it's a common phenomenon not to use negative risk rewards, but if something has a certain strike rate, like 75% strike rate, 70% strike rate, this negative risk reward is also works. And just to show you this strategy does work, I took in 3 trades during this week, and I'm gonna be looking for a bullish fair value gap. I wouldn't mind grabbing over here because it's consolidation, grabbing this sell side. And it looks like it's forming another swing low. So if this closes in 1 minute without grabbing this, we could also be looking for another draw over here. So we'll take this off, take this off. We could be looking for another stop hunt. And this is my draw. So yeah, I'm gonna pause this right now, and I'll catch up with you guys when we either sweep this and the confirmation of 1 minute fair value gaps get printed. Hey guys, we're back. So we have this. We basically swept that 5 minute swing low that we were saying. So I grabbed that liquidity consolidation, grabbed the liquidity. People are probably buying in and putting their stops like down here. Grab some consolidation down here, imbalance over here. So 10 seconds in. So we're gonna put our limit order in. Put our stop right here. Put our stop right there. Put our limit order in real quick. Okay. Let's put this right here. Okay, so we're gonna get into this fair value gap. And we want our risk reward to go to 0.8. A nice long TP. I'm perfectly fine with that. This is around 22 handles. Take profits around 17 handles. So we want nice little drop and then to go back up. Take a screenshot of this now. And if we go above I would say if we go above, like, we had like a little expansion here. If we go above here, I'm cutting the trade. But I will give it room so it could go, like, let's say if it goes up to here, maybe come down, and then come back up. Something like that, I'll be perfectly fine with. Yeah, so I'm just going to be patient, and I'm going to pause it until we get an entry. And if not, at least I showed you guys the rules and showed you how to look for your own trades. using this the Cameron's model. So it looks like we're gonna get triggered into our buy setup at any second right now. They did just touch into this fair value gap, little double bottom right here, maybe in the 15-second chart or 5-second chart. And then he just swept the double bottom, hitting the fair value gap, hitting the bullish order block. And why would this be a bullish order block, not this one? Because this one grabbed liquidity here. So we're still looking for them to come and enter into our position. We're gonna be patient. Okay, guys, we're in our position right now. We have the fair value gap getting tagged in. This is the first fair value gap in this bullish move up. We have not taken out a swing high yet. We have formed another swing high, a lower swing high. So we're looking for price to come and expand to the upside right now. And that's basically it. If we lose, we take that loss, we move away. I like our stop loss placement. Yeah, and our draw is still up here. If you guys forgot what the draw is, I'll show you it real quick. So it is this double top right here, equal highs. So you have the 1 minute, zoom out a little bit. And we'll just watch this as it progresses. Actually, I'll pause it and give updates when the market actually starts doing something. So right now we kind of confirmed this bullish order block, and note that this was going to be a propulsion block because we moved up. This is the order block. We made a down candle on the order block and then confirmed the order block. So this is a propulsion block, and we can mark that off. Peanut butter jelly is usually what I call it. Peanut butter jelly, PB, propulsion. PB, man. So right now, the market is grabbing this failure swing. We want to see speed and try and take out these little imbalances, Wixer imbalances. So ICT does said that he doesn't, I'm not going to obviously follow this now, but just as like general rule of thumb, propulsion blocks, he does not want to see 50% getting breached. And we have confirmed this is a change in state of change in the state of delivery. We can come back into this propulsion block and bounce off something like this. Obviously, you can have your own mix to this type of model. You could also wait until like a propulsion block, or you could wait until the fair value gap. We create a down candle on the fair value gap, and then we close above, change in the state of delivery, come back and retest it, and then we have an exact same entry like this, and your stop loss becomes much less smaller, and you can have more risk reward. That's something that I'm gonna experiment with for sure. And obviously, if you want to take this all the way to the highs, taking it all the way up here, it's a 9R right there on that trade. So we confirmed it. We want to see some expansion. So see what the price does now. If it does a little bit of consolidation in next 30 seconds, I'm gonna just pause it and then just not to make the video too long, and see what the price does. I'll just pause it right now and see what price does. Show you guys. So I've decided to take out 4 contracts once we hit the original TP of 0.8, and then I'm gonna let it ride and see what it does with 1 contract on. So this is the original TP. We would have been netting $177 and risking 212, which is honestly not that bad, And I'm just gonna move this up just in case that it does just come and just take us out and we can't partial out. Why we want to partial out is just because the draw is high probability. Daily double top. Yeah, that's why I want to, see if we can run up into that just for fun. We did not hit discount, so if that could be an area that you could probably like look at and I don't like that there's consolidation. We might try and take this out again and then move back up. But honestly, I'm just gonna chill until we either get stopped or we make our money. But I'll pause it right now just because I don't want to make this video long. Just giving you guys updates on the price action. Quick update. I like how we moved down and grabbed this. Just to clean it up a little. Price action. We grab this immediately. Green candle and then another green candle coming in. Yeah, gonna pause it. Okay, guys, we're getting some nice expansion now, and we're getting close to grabbing our partial out of 4. And yeah, so you see the TPs. We're getting some expansion. We should grab this. We should grab this, and we should grab this. And we should start making our way to this draw. Yeah. If some people would probably want to like put their stop loss right here, and that's actually like really fair. I wouldn't disagree with that if I wasn't just following this model, and I was just kind of like just going with it, going with so take out 4 when we hit the red. You want to see it grab red. Don't be shy. So I'll take 4. About okay. Nothing yet. Oop. I was gonna click buy. I actually should be clicking sell. We'll see one more push right now. Yeah, tick sell. So nice. So we got our TP now. Let's move it up real quick so we don't get stopped. And we have 141 for all of that. But if I'm actually just gonna exit out of this trade so I can just make it a winner. So yeah, you just seen me executing the ICT model, ICT's son Cameron's model. So just to recap, we had a fair value gap right here. First fair value gap after we broke this 5-minute swing high. We put our stop right here, and we aimed for a 0.8. So that was basically it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope this helped. And I'm not a financial advisor. Also, we're touching this fair value gap again, so this could be another buy. But yep, see you guys later.